Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Deputy Speaker Sir, I fully share with the sentiments expressed by honorable members here on this great tragedy of Amarnath. Yatris belonging to different parts of the country are there. The people of the country want to know the welfare of their near relatives, family members, and near and dear ones, and where they are at present. There is no such information center at Delhi, Jammu, and Srinagar from where people may come to know the names and address of those persons who are dead. Also, those who have survived and in what condition they are. Next para. Those who are in hospitals, what is their condition and in which hospital they are admitted. I think that the people of the whole country are very anxious and they want to know about the condition of their brothers and relations. Firstly, the government of Jammu and Kashmir should be distracted to find out in detail about the persons who are dead and also those who are admitted in the hospitals. The country should know where they are held up. Next para. This incident has not happened for the first time. The same incident had happened in 1973 and the weather turned inclement. At that time, about 100 pilgrims were dead. As this is not the first incident, so the in charge administration of Jammu and Kashmir and the planners of this pilgrimage should have planned it in such a way, keeping in view the possibility of inclement weather, that if the weather turns hostile, the pilgrims will be supplied woolen cloths, blankets, and arrangements for their lodging and boarding will be made, but such plan was not formulated. Plan was made keeping this in view, that less number of pilgrims will undertake the yatra and the weather will remain good. This is a sad reflection. The state administration is responsible for it. Lakhs of people have been hurt with the planning and arrangements. They are due to which vulnerable lives had lost. The whole house is sad over it. Everyone is concerned with it. We have sympathy with the near ones of those people who have lost their lives. We want that better arrangement be made to rescue those still stranded there. Train services should be arranged so as to help them to reach their homes. The Jammu Srinagar route should be opened immediately. Money should be provided to those people who lack, even if to buy tickets. Medical facility should be provided to the sick people. Had our armed forces and air force not come forward to provide help, then a big tragedy would have struck and more people than this would have died. I take this occasion to pay my compliments to armed forces, Air Force, BSF, and personnel of administration. Terrorists had declared that they would not allow the yatra, but the Kashmiri people did not allow their plan to succeed. As terrorists failed to do any mischief, it shows that the people of Kashmir, particularly the Muslim brethren, want peace in Hindustan and in the state and are giving cooperation to the government. I appreciate their role, but whatever failure has taken place, it should be inquired into and the guilty persons should be punished. The stranded people should be rescued and treatment should be given to the sick. The people of the country should be informed where their relatives, friends, and near and dear ones are, and how they are, and in which condition they are. I think the whole house should condemn this and the people who are responsible for it, and also for failure of administration should be punished so that this thing does not happen again. Proper arrangement should be made for the people to undertake yatra. Besides, the Congress members have given notice under Rule 188, which may be taken up for discussion. Next para. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, it is a national tragedy. Even if 50% of what Sri Jaswant Singh and Sri Chaman Lalji have said in this house is correct, it indicates that the government was not only insensitive to the situation that may develop because of bad weather, but even after the tragedy, the government was callous, and so it should be charged for dereliction of duty. Next para. None can expect that after such a great tragedy, the governor could remain in the capital city of Delhi. He will find no reason to go to Jammu or to Srinagar. Wherever it was possible to manage the affairs, there one should try to know from the government what were the pressing reasons for the governor to remain in Delhi, and why did all the officers of the Kashmir not rush to the spot? Why did the people responsible in the government of India, including the Prime Minister and the Home Minister, not think it proper to cancel their programs and go to that spot? Stop.